Okay everyone, I promised I would show you some of the new stuff that I've ordered from Just For You Online, because they've got some new starter kits out. I've got some more stuff to come yet. First thing I got from them recently was this bloom finish, and it's a sealant and varnish. I am just trying it on some Eco Pore makes, and so far so good. It's just curing at the moment, but it should leave like a sort of glossy finish on your Eco Pore. So I'll let you know what that's like. Now in the meantime, resin pendant kit. Let's have a look at this. I mean, to me this just, oh yeah, I might have to cut the ribbon. To me this just screams of Christmas presents. It's beautifully packaged first of all, which seems an awful shame to open it. I like this. There you go, it's got some tips on it. So this is obviously an epoxy one. Isn't the box nice? So the brand is Create and Bloom, but obviously I've got it from Just For You Online, so whether it's a collaboration or a subsidiary, I really need to find out more about this, don't I? Trying to open the box is proving challenging. Oh, it seems such a shame to damage the boxes. Okay, I'm probably missing something and there's a proper way of doing it, but anyway, there we are. So here's the little kit with information from Lou on how to do these things. See, that all looks very novice proof. Inspiration, yeah. Right, isn't the packaging beautiful? Oh, look at that. What a beautiful little set there. Look, if you got that for Christmas, you'd be happy, wouldn't you? So we got white mica powder, pink moon and blossom. Oh, sparkles. And some little flowers. Oh, pots, gloves, stirry things, bezels. Those are nice. Chains. And then your resin. Oh, look, it's the really fast cure stuff. That's the stuff that's only a couple of hours to cure. What a beautiful little kit. I'm impressed. Oh, and a thing. That's to have a go at making a coaster with, I suppose. Or do you use it as a little mat? Has this got matting with it? Anyway, there's something else here. Is that just a bit of card? Ah. That is some tape. That is to stick your things down with. You can see that's yeah, that's to stick your open back bezels on. Got it. Okay, if you want to see what I do with this kit, as usual, oops, I have got a great long backlog of videos to make, but I will get to it when I can. That's going to be quite high up on my list because that looks lovely. Nice, just to show how to wreck the box. Am I the only one who gets precious about boxes? Anyway, look at this one. There's more of a story to this. Another thing that they've got new on their website, and apparently I'm the first person to book in for it, is a flower preservation workshop. And I have booked in. It's run through, it looks like it's run through Instagram somehow. I've had my confirmation, I've registered and everything. It's just kind of what to do next. It's really about having time. But I ordered this kit because I thought this would kind of sit alongside it by the look of it. I'm going to keep these ribbons, by the way, because you never know when you're going to need a nice bit of ribbon. I do feel bad wrecking these boxes. Again, there seems to be information on here. That's nice. I'll proper read of that later. Of course, you can pause the video if you want to see it now. Oh, this box has got a proper tail. I suspect the other one had and I didn't spot it. Anyway, let's see what's in here. Yeah, I thought I'd book myself on one of the workshops because it's something I'll be the first to admit, I'm not terribly good at. I've got flower presses and I have dried flowers in silica before, but not really been very good at it. So what we've got here, what's this? What's this? little envelopes by the look of it. Got bigger envelopes. Got a little brush. Oh, that's soft. And we've got a silica gel. We've got some tweezers. They're neat little tweezers. And the rest is all just fluff and packaging. Meaning, you know, tissue and stuff. So that's nice. I wonder what the little envelopes are for. Is that for keeping them in afterwards? Silica sand. Again, if you want to see what I do with this kit, watch this space. I'm going to get myself involved in that workshop. First of all, just go through all this and make sure I'm not chucking anything away I shouldn't. Yes, I'm going to go through all that workshop. I'm going to have time over the coming days, and I'll report back on how I find the workshop, and we'll have a play with this kit. Now, there aren't many flowers out there at the moment. I bought this at probably the wrong time of year, but I'll see what I can find to have a play with. So yeah, thought I'd share all that with you. So we've got our flower preservation kit and our little pendant making kit, and like I said, got the workshop as well, so I'll let you know how that goes. I'll report back. I haven't treated myself to a crafty workshop, so I thought it was about time I did. See you soon then, folks. If anybody fancies any of these kits, they are in the What's New bit in the Just For You Online website. I'll put the link for you below so you can go and find that. Just click on, I think it's Shop All or something like that, and then it'll be a section for New. That's where you'll find this stuff and the little workshop that I've booked in on. So, oh, and don't forget to use your discount code. There is a discount code for Just For You Online down below as well. So that's worth having. Right, I'll see you soon, folks, for another Playing with Stuff session.